Hey, so today we're out here at one of our job sites, and as you can see behind me, wait, is that a palm tree? Yes, that's a palm tree in Georgia. Customers wanted it, customers got it. That's the way we roll at Real Turf. So we wanted to talk to you today about this time of the year, what's going on. This time of the year is a great time of the year to be planting those trees, but a lot of people forget about, well, I planted some trees, wind came through, blew them over, snapped them off, whatever the case may be. So today I want to talk to you about the proper way to stake a tree. As you can tell behind me here, this is a palm tree. This palm tree weighs about 700 pounds. We brought it in with a skid steer. We don't want to have to deal with it falling over. So we properly staked this particular palm tree with some 2x4 posting. As you can see, there's 2x4 posts on here. We've put these 2x4 railings on each side to hold the tree in place. We've also used some strapping material here. It wraps all the way around the tree. So what it will allow this tree to do, and then at the other end of the stake, the 2x4 here, we've drove in a stake, a wooden stake about 3 foot in the ground, and we've attached it to our actual 2x4. What that will allow the tree to do is as the wind blows, this tree will move back and forth, and these will slide up and down the bark of the tree, but it will also hold the tree in place. On the back side, we put these in a pyramid shape, so there's 1, 2, and then the third one in the back, so when the wind blows at most directions, it will have some support in order to hold this 700-pound tree up. The great thing about doing it this way is when the tree gets established here in a few months, we'll come back, we'll cut these off, and then we'll remove these, and so the tree will be able to stand on its own. A couple of different ways that you can stake some trees. We do it a lot with planting just standard one single stem maples, oaks. We do a 3-point just regular arbor tie, which is what this is here. We stake it down to the ground, drive it in the ground with 3 oak stakes or pine stakes, and we leave them on there for about 6 months, and then we cut them off and get rid of them. Because if you don't, what you don't want is you see this is kind of loose. We don't want it really super tight, because what will happen is the girdling. It's a girdling effect. The actual tree will grow over that rope in there, and that'll cause a girdling effect. That girdling effect will then eventually, actually, it's just like me wrapping my hands around your neck, is basically we're going to choke the tree from getting the nutrients it needs. And we've seen trees die from that girdling effect or become very weak at that point and then snap off in a good rainstorm or a good windstorm. So, hey, those are just a couple simple tips on how to properly stake trees in your yard. If you need some help with it, let us know. We'll be more than happy to send one of our experts out, help you out with that tree to make sure that it survives through the winter storms.